Oh, there's Mrs. Pender making horseradish sauce. Isn't that cool? I just dug it up to get it out of the way, and then we learned. That's pretty cool. And here's the old Stalwart. Do you guys remember this? I did a few upgrades on it the last time since you saw it. I got proper turnbuckles with nuts instead of using wire. What else did I do? I glued the handle on because it was spinning round and round, and I put the label back on so we'd know which way to go. And let's see if she starts. Okay, let's go. Let's see if she goes. It's got that automatic choke, eh? Turn it over a few times. Well, that's a miracle in itself, isn't it? Because that is actually another, when it came in it was a junkyard junker. But if you guys remember, when it came in I saw the big huge worm gear drive down there on the bottom. And that's just pure reliability down there. And the motor is a motor, so I just kept working on the motor until I got it running. And it is the dreaded, of all dreaded, automatic chokes. Oh no, there it is. It's right back in there. Cool, huh? And I got the little 180 going with the plow. Because my plan, this is the garden now, right? My plan is that at the back of the garden over here, I had a ridge from the spruce trees that used to be in here. So each time I rototill in here, I'm taking a little bit of the soil from here. It'll smooth out after we till it. And I'm putting it over here because in a heavy rain I get a puddle right here. Because over 50 years those spruce trees elevated the back. So now unfortunately I've just got a little bit more to do for my old saccharilliac. Like there. I don't know if you can see right there. There is a rise. It's gentle, but it comes up and then it goes back down to the gate. Eh? So I'm going to chew away at this here. And then just a little bit here. So yes, the little 180 is running good. Started up. Put a battery in it. Yes, I primed it. It's been sitting. And like Mick says, and Zippo, if you start your machines every once in a while, that's the best medicine. So yeah, let's carry on. Okay guys. I don't know if you can tell. I broke a light. So I did a lot of backblading, and I think it looks way different. There's still a slope on the other side of the trees. That's good. That's for drainage. And then I tried to keep the looks a little rough right now. But I tried to keep a well on each tree so that when we water them they hold the water a little bit. I moved the compost bin back and dug it down a little bit. And so I think it's from this vantage point back here, I guess. And it's actually, the garden goes right to there, not to there, right? But I couldn't get the tractor into that corner except with the back blade. And it was all done with this guy. And there's no hydraulics on this blade, eh? She's entirely manual. For that, and for turning too. Like that. There. I bought that hook years ago, it's been great. Okay, so do I take this? Now, this board's been in here for 30 years. 40. I think I'm going to take it out right now. It's starting to look really tacky. This board, actually there's a wire under the ground from this lamp to this lamp. right? And from that lamp to that lamp and across. So it's covering the wire. And I'm going to take it out, see how it looks first, and then we're going to till. Okay, my friends, it's tough tilling because the spruce roots, I really only used to till out to about here. And now I'm a full 4 feet further towards the little trees. But I tell you, this stalwart tiller dug that up. I didn't have to. And there's the first run, right? It's not part of those. Those are still small enough to stay in the what do you call it? In the drip line. So this is from the spruce trees last year. And it's a lot easier to chop than they were a few years ago. And these will eventually just rot out, eh? Well, as you can see, guys, it started to rain, but I got it done, and I got to rake the edges. There. It is a lot flatter. Well, there we go. We're all rototilled up. Got a little bit of a lip there. But the garden is now ready for next spring. It's actually a pretty, it's, you know, just adding that 4 feet at the back actually mathematically probably doubled the size of the garden, huh? Very, very happy with it. We're still ripening our squashes and pumpkins. They're coming. You gotta remember we're in Canada here, right? Thanks, guys.